Think the fate of the planet lies solely in the hands of big corporations? What if the real power to change the world is sitting in your shopping cart right now? In a time when sustainability is the buzzword, corporate social responsibility is grabbing headlines. But here's the twist. Over 60% of consumers are willing to change their buying habits to reduce environmental impact. So how can businesses harness this untapped potential to foster responsible consumption? Enter consumer social responsibility, or CNSR, the idea that every purchase you make can ripple out to global change. According to a Nielsen report, 73% of global consumers would definitely or probably alter their consumption habits to lessen their environmental footprint. That's a massive wave of potential just waiting to be channeled. Take Patagonia's bold "Don't Buy This Jacket" campaign. It dared customers to buy less, promoting reduced consumption. The result? A surge in sales and unprecedented brand loyalty. Companies like The Body Shop are also thriving by encouraging ethical purchasing decisions. So how do businesses inspire such responsible consumption? Social marketing is one powerful tool. By applying marketing principles to promote social good, companies can influence behaviors that benefit everyone. Remember campaigns that turned recycling into a norm or made saving energy a communal goal? That's social marketing in action. But there's another layer: behavioral economics. This field examines how psychological factors affect economic decisions. By designing subtle nudges, businesses can guide consumers toward more sustainable choices without limiting their freedom. For example, simply making paperless billing the default option has drastically cut down paper usage globally. In the UK, a small charge on plastic bags led to an astonishing 85% reduction in their use within a year. So what's the game plan for businesses looking to ride this wave? First, leverage social norms. Highlighting that most people are adopting eco-friendly habits can encourage others to follow suit. Second, employ commitment devices. When consumers make public pledges to go green, they're more likely to stick with them. Third, keep the message simple. Clear, concise information about the benefits of responsible consumption can drive action, while complexity often leads to paralysis. Actionable steps include integrating sustainability into core brand messaging, collaborating with influencers who share these values, and using gamification to make responsible choices engaging and fun. Imagine earning rewards every time you choose a sustainable option. That's the power of gamification. But setting these strategies isn't enough. Continuous measurement and feedback are crucial. Utilizing data analytics helps track the impact of campaigns and refine strategies in real time. Companies like Unilever have set the benchmark with comprehensive sustainability metrics through their Sustainable Living Plan, achieving measurable results in waste reduction, water use, and carbon emissions. Consumer social responsibility isn't just a trend, it's a transformative force. By tapping into social marketing and behavioral economics, businesses can lead the charge toward a sustainable future. When companies and consumers align their efforts, the potential for positive change is limitless.